Welcome back to the Cars, Cats, and Cannabis YouTube channel. If you can tell, we have done something subtle to the truck. We have successfully fit 37s. These are BFG KM3s. In, where is it? I don't know if you can see, but 37, 12.5, 17 deload. And you still have, I can still get my hand in back here when they are turned. So AEV did such a great job making room that these KM3s do fit. I get 22 degrees of turn to the left right now because of that pesky little body mount right there. So that is going to get chopped as close as I can. In the backs, no problem. You see how those pretty much fill the whole wheel well. A little bit of room to spare. We're going to do some investigating and flexing. Still got a decent 2 fingers in there. So they're doing really well. The truck is still getting 16.5 miles per gallon. It does have the 410 gears, and we have stuffed this 37-inch spare back here. Barely fits. I got to come up with a more elegant solution. That was just for today. And trusty Max tracks. So I'll keep going around the truck here. I'll let you look at some clearances. Try and get in here so you can see the shock relocation, how it clears. So there's the Jounces and there's the reload. It's hard to see, but it does clear. I can get a lot more turn to the right just because the body mount's a little different, but you can see decent amount of room still. I'm turned all the way and there's still, you can still see light back there, so the right side's pretty good. But there are beefy tires. We are transported to the future, where ZR2s come in an awesome color like sand dune metallic. We got the cheese bread crew, most of the cheese sticks here. So we're just chilling today, testing out the 37s. We got Kings peeking through there. Thank goodness he's got the rock lights on so we can see. It's gorgeous. We got all the trucks here. We're in an ORV area, just chilling. We got several ZR2s here. Got some diesel, some gas. Got a long bed. We have a professional BMX racer in the foreground. Is he gonna go for it? Go, go, go. You got it. Well, we'll see you out on the trail. We're gonna just do some exploring around the Traverse City State Forest. We are now chilling at an undisclosed location in Schneider, Michigan. We're having a gorgeous trail lunch, and gonna walk out onto the lake here. We've got all the trucks using drawers, head chef, executive chef, and
maybe a vendor.
Got a little frozen lake here. And all the awesome trucks. Take you out onto the lake here. But just stopping for trail lunch. Whew. Oh, that's cracking a little bit, but I'm gonna go back so I don't join the fishes. We'll see you at our next destination. Woo! That was cold. We got Randy coming up the hill.
Got him out with the kinetic rope.
Remember that the last time we turn the wheel straight a little bit? Actually, yeah, get up on that. Yeah. Alright, straighten the wheel. Straighten the wheel. Yep.
Give her some gas backwards.
Kevin, Ernie, try coming up further this way into fresh snow. That's what I was trying. It was pulling me to the left.
Yeah, I mean, it's awesome.
Come on, Steve and Ernie. Let the diesel go. Uh-oh.
Back up.
Yeah, I think,
You're all on the ice, though. I tell you, if anyone can get over here, you're going to get up.
oh boy, getting slick.
All right, hold on. Turn and drag it. More got it? All right, now go straight. And just let it walk straight back down.
Yeah, we don't want to go into that ditch there.
All right, Justin, your turn.
It's so icy. There we go. That's better. That's better. Go, go. Keep going.
Don't let up. You're almost there.
Do not let up.
Don't let up. Your instinct is to like want to keep traction, but
Oh, we got. Keep going, Ricky. He should have been second. No. He needs to be in second. Oh! No! Try it in second.
He doubled his distance. Yeah.
Back all the way down, Ricky.
See, he's got more speed. He's gonna be fine. Don't stop.
That's how you do it.
Ernie, it's easy.
Now we got Ty in the extended cab diesel. Easy. One thing we didn't think about is how are we going to get all the way back up?
We're gonna hit the ride.
Let's go hitchhike.
He's turning around.
Oh
I'm gonna sit in the
no.
back.
We are now in the back of a Z71. I'm going to try and not fall out while I'm filming. There's Clay Cliffs and right there. The Whaleback, also nice hikes. We're currently in the Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. Finishing up our day, we were finally able to get up that hill. And I'm pretty sure at least one of the members in that video you saw will be ordering new tires in like the next 48 hours. And we're about to go up this next hill here, so hopefully I don't fall out. Oh yeah, it's doing great. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We made it. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you could do me a favor, give it a like, help spread the word, help spread the chillness all over the world. We are now on 37s with basically factory lift. Thank you, American Expedition Vehicles, for making this dream come true. I've been planning this for like 3 years. So one diesel ZR2 went down, and now I'm finally back to where we need to be. Thank you so much for watching. Get outdoors, enjoy yourselves, and be chill. Have a nice day.